Automatic Transmission Woody's Automotive Group. We carry an expansive inventory of pre-owned vehicles priced to sell. Take this 2010 Honda Accord Cross-Door all-wheel drive 3.5 Li, 4 leather and heated seats, sunroof, 6 CD changer WO, OnStar, alloy wheels and Glacier Blue. With 28,511 miles, you can be assured excellent value and long-lasting durability. A test drive is waiting for you. Call 877-271-1228 today and speak with one of our knowledgeable representatives. AHREFHTTP www.woodysdjc.com. Wow, HTM. Click here to read why we're different. A Woody's is an honest, upfront, one-price dealership. When it comes to price, we're third-party verified among the lowest in the nation. This vehicle is certified with a B pre-owned warranty, B automatic transmission, no cost.